Good morning tourists, my name is John Lloyd M. Ramirez, but you call me Kuya JJ, and would like to introduce the head captain, Jerry Balinan, and he is a licensed driver. Say hello to Kuya Jerry, and today we'll be with your tour guide to province of the Philippines, in the Central Luzon region. It's capital city of the capital of the Palayan. But before, behind to the tour have friendly reminders and safety precautions so that our tour will go smooth, slowly, and hassle free. First, always wear face mask and walk to the perno, and one will get lost. Synchronize your time to my time, so know when will be left behind. The check-in already 4 a.m. in the morning. Third place, understand to understand. If you hear whistle twice like this and overplug behind a wave, that means for time is up, and let back to our bus for next destination. The next destination, and lastly observe. Please observe and embrace the nature has the offer with us by not doing anything harmful. And always remember, no trace will be left behind. If you have follow question and need, just approach me and get your coverage. I'm so excited for a tour today, and I believe all my tourists as well. Are you ready? Let us begin. First destination is the Little Bigan in Gapan. The site that you see in the Little Bigan just lie across the street from the Virginia Divina Pastor Church. These are row of central houses that did not immediately catch my attention back then. A new time, 6 a.m. morning. Travilia, did you know Little Bigan in Gapan? Considered as within the heart of Gapan City. Deep in the heart of Gapan, Nueva Ecija, lies a miniature park that will take you on a journey back in time. Meet Little Bigan, a pocket-sized vision of the famous heritage town of the Bigan. Charming little park and cobblestone street and vintage light tradition houses. It has behind developed to the prove visitor as more trade and see thought it's a Right, tourists, are you ready for next destination? The second destination is the Minalugao National Park and Tourist Resort. And the time is 9 a.m. in the morning. Trivia, did you know Minalugao National Park is no hidden gem in Nueva Ecija? This natural river park is known for its unique magnificent rock formation. Visitors to the park can enjoy activities such as cliff driving, fishing, and traditional bamboo raft ride. The park also offers standing view of the river. You have 1 hour to enjoy the activities and buy souvenir to take a picture. We lunch to cafeteria and time is 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Right, tourists, are you ready for next destination? The third destination are the Farm Villarante Flowers Farm. The time is 12:30 afternoon. Trivia, did you know best place for romantic date? One of the place of the farm in Nueva Ecija. And 1 hour to take activities for the Farm Villarante. Visitor can enjoy scenes and walk through the field as of Villarante set the sunset, and again the back door of the colorful pinwheel and watchtower, the field flower, and offer scenes view that are right. Tourists, are you ready for next destination? The fourth destination is the Rancho de Cabilio. The time is 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon. Trivia, did you know the Rancho de Cabilio? If you are looking for a romantic getaway that offer an abstracted view of the nature, the Rancho de Cabilio is the Nueva Ecija, Philippines. The place for you to the higher terrain and the challenging biking course, and all the enjoying the panoramic view for the area. This is ecological park is situated in the barangay Calibio, Quiapo, and offer a standing view of the Calibio Hills. You can also rent a boat to explore the area. Flower and enjoy in the initial patient lunch preparing by the staff in the Rancho de Cabilio. If you're sure to prove it with a truly memorable experience, 1 hour to take a picture and buy. Right, tourists, are you ready for next destination? Guys, the final destination is Cap of the Paraiso Resort, in the perfect place to the getaway from the hustle and the bustle for the city life. Nestled in the mountains of the Bocambon, Nueva Ecija, this resort offers both premium and the traditional operation nation, making the ideal of the camping, climbing, of the simple talking of the break from the everyday grind in the full despite in the natural cold water and the mountain source, the proven the fresh water and the irrigation experience for the just a place to relax and enjoy the nature and the tour guide guide. given you a lot the reason for the smile, and enjoy seatmate, enjoy the rest as of the